Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set your work address in Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, the address can be set in a rather easy way, and that is easily done in both the web versions and the mobile version. I'll just be using the web version in this case. However, the same process applies for the mobile version, and you just need to do it only once, since it is directly tied to your Google account and not Maps itself. That being said, you can also use your Google account to set this information. You don't need Google Maps, but I'll be showing you guys how you can do this through Google Maps itself. Now, what you need to do is you need to access your menu, then go into your data in Maps, and that's going to open up a new window where you'll be able to see your home and work addresses, and you can click on work and set the address from there. On the mobile version, the process is a bit different, but only in the way you access the menu. You just need to tap on your profile icon in the top right, and then you'll see the exact same your data in Maps button where you can go ahead and save your work address. And that is pretty much it. As I mentioned, you can just use Google for this. You can just access your account settings on Google, and you'll be able to find your home and work address, and that is pretty much all you need to do. And as I mentioned, you can update this on any sort of method you would like to use. You can update it on PC, and that change will be made across the board for all your accounts, including on your mobile app versions. So there is no reason for you to go and do it multiple times. You can just do it only once, and that is pretty much all there is to it. And yeah, there's nothing else I would like to add, so let me not draw this out any further. I do hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.